Lexus LFA supercar is, or was, the most elite vehicle at any point worked by the world's biggest car producer. Just 500 of the colorful carbon fiber 200 miles per hour V10s will be sold at $375,000 each. Presently the circuit-centered LFA Nürburgring Package is set to be uncovered. Just 50 such 562 bhp vehicles will be delivered with updated streamlined features and specialized refinements intended to tweak the fascinating two-situate sports car to be equipped for lapping the mythical Nürburgring Nordschleife circuit under 720. Presently the normal Gomer needs something other than a wad of money, mechanical estimated gonads and a Swede taking care of, ruthlessly capable auto to get around the green hill inside 8 minutes, not to mention 720, so the cost incorporates extraordinary guideline sessions on the circuit into the deal. The auto can be had in white, orange or dark at $445,000 or in matte dark for $465. Making it the most costly Japanese street auto ever. The cost likewise incorporates an evening's settlement at the circuit, an uncommon coat which will connote the wearer as one of the 50 to have experienced the experience, and a one-year go to the circuit so you can take a shot at your lap times. The Nürburgring Package LFA will be shown out in the open out of the blue at the Geneva Engine Demonstrate a fortnight from now, and as there might be 50 sold, may we recommend you contact your Lexus merchant at this moment on the off chance that you need one. On the off chance that your point of view on Japanese games autos is that they won't slice it contrasted with the best the Germans, Italians and British bring to the table, think again. Nissan's GTR has effectively exhibited that Japanese autos can do the business without an exceptional sticker price, however it isn't Lexus' aim to sponsor the purchasing cost excessively. Talk has it that the decade-long advancement battle couldn't in any way, shape or form be amortized successfully crosswise over only 500 autos, and regardless of how they juggle the numbers,